Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, are you thinking about investing in real estate but not sure which strategy pays off faster? Should you fix and flip for quick profits or run an Airbnb rental for steady income? So, let's compare both of these in this video. So, fix and flip basically requires finding undervalued properties, renovations, and selling them quickly, a hand-on process. Meanwhile, if you talk about Airbnb on the other hand, they offer passive income, but you'll need to manage guest, maintenance, and booking. If we talk about customization and investment control, with Airbnb customization in the property's theme, pricing, and experience, but local regulations can limit your flexibility. On the other hand, if you talk about flips, you can control renovation and market timings, allowing for bigger one-time profit and all. So if you talk about growth and profit potential, flipping can earn around 30 to 100K dollars per deal, but depends on market timing and renovation costs. On the other hand, Airbnb can generate 2 to 5K dollars per month, offering a steady cash flow but needing consistent occupancy. So while Airbnb faces seasonal demand, regulations, and ongoing expenses like cleaning and utilities, fix and flip include your risk of market downturns and renovation delays. So if you ask my final verdict, I'll say if you want fast lump sum profits, go for fix and flip. But if you prefer passive long-term income, Airbnb is your best choice. And with that, I hope this video was clear for you. Thank you so much for watching.